The Lookout Mountain Incline is one of the steepest passenger rails in the world. It's going up Lookout Mountain right now. It's important to consider why this rail is so steep and what it connects. This is the St. Elmo neighborhood. This rail connects the St. Elmo neighborhood to Lookout Mountain. It's important to understand that Lookout Mountain is essentially one long ridge. It's part of the Cumberland Plateau, and it's very steep. Looking downward, you can see how steep it is, and you can see Chattanooga from up here. It's quite steep, hence why an incline railway is necessary considering its geography. You can see the train as it's going back down. You can see how steep that incline really is. This is one of the steepest gradients in the world for a passenger railway. 72.7%. Considering that this train connects nearby St. Elmo's neighborhood, which is part of Chattanooga, Tennessee, to Lookout Mountain. It has to go up Lookout Mountain, which is a mountain ridge. It's part of the Cumberland Plateau. It's very steep itself. And because of the steepness, this railway has a very steep incline.